of the primary school, and I've seen many of you around in the mornings, in the afternoons, or even just by popping into your classes. You've done an amazing job coming back to school, and I'm so proud everyone is happy, having fun, and also following all of these tricky, hard rules. You guys are doing a great job staying apart from your friends as best as you can. And I know it's very, very hard, and your teachers are trying really hard to keep you guys apart and keep everyone safe. So thank you, everybody. Now, I need your help. Every 2 weeks we will do an assembly, okay, where Miss Waller will come on and speak to you about some things, or maybe do some games or some songs, but I need your help. I don't want to watch Miss Waller every week on the screen. I want to see some children learning or playing or singing. So I have asked your teachers to send me maybe a video or some pictures. So every time we put this video together, you will see some of your friends in other classes and not just Miss Waller. So hopefully I get some really amazing videos or songs or maybe some pictures from different classes every week that we could watch and have a listen to. So I'm really excited to see some of those coming through. Now, on my slide here, you can see lots of pictures of signs and symbols. So what you could do now would be, with your teacher, you could pause this video and you could talk to your friends in your class and your teachers about what all of these lovely new signs and symbols actually mean. I know you guys have seen them everywhere, on your doors, on the floors, all over the school. So pause the video, have a chat, and see if you guys know exactly what they mean, and then we can follow all of these new rules. Now, Sharks, we have some big news. Every 2 weeks, Miss Waller is going to call out 2 names from each class, and they are going to receive very special PYP awards. Now, you only get these certificates for doing really good things in your class, and these are called learner attributes. That's a big word. Now, your teachers will explain these in a lot more detail. They'll show you how you can get these awards. You might be really caring to someone in your class, or you might be balanced, or maybe you're very clever and you're knowledgeable and you're really, really trying hard in school. And this is how you can get one of these awards, okay? So we will be calling out your names, and the awards will get to go home to mums or dads on your Toddle account. We'll try not to print them because we don't want to be touching too many things, but you will get this very special award, and then your mums and dads could print it out, and I know they will be super, super, super proud of you for getting these PYP awards. Now, don't be upset if you don't get it. You will get it, okay? You have to try hard. We can't all get one at the same time, okay? But you will get one very soon, hopefully, if you show your teacher that you can do all of these amazing things in your classes. One of the things you could be to get one of these amazing awards would be caring. So caring looks after their friends, their family, they listen to others, they're really helpful, and they use really nice words when they're talking to their friends or to their teachers. So if you're very caring, like this little cat, you might get a caring award. Have a watch and a listen to the story, and it will give you some more ideas about how you can be kind and very caring.
Caring means helping and being Welcome to PV Storytime, children's books read aloud. Be Kind by Pat Zietlow Miller, illustrated by Jen Hill. Tanisha spilled grape juice yesterday, all over her new dress. Everyone laughed. I almost did too, but Mom always tells me to be kind, so I tried. I don't think it worked. I said, "Purple is my favorite color." I thought Tanisha would smile, but she ran into the hall instead. When she came back, snack time was over. She put on her art smock and didn't look at anyone. I almost told Tanisha that art was my favorite class, but I didn't want her to leave again. So I painted purple splotches and added some green until I had a bunch of beautiful violets. While I painted, I thought about Tanisha. Should I have handed her my napkin? Let her borrow my sweatshirt? Spilled my juice so everyone stared at me instead? What does it mean to be kind anyway? Maybe it's giving. Making cookies for Mr. Rinaldi, who lives alone. Letting someone with smaller feet have my too tight shoes. He might win races in them too. Maybe it's helping. Putting dirty dishes in the sink. Cleaning up after Otis, our class guinea pig. He's a messy eater. Maybe it's paying attention, telling Desmond I like his blue boots. Asking the new girl to be my partner. Listening to Aunt Franny's stories, even the ones I've heard before. Being kind should be easy, like throwing away a wrapper, or recycling a bottle, or saying, "Thank you, bless you." My mom says the quickest way to be kind is to use people's names. Hey Kayla, what's new, Omar? Good afternoon, Rabbi Mandelbaum. Being kind can be hard too, even when you know what to do. Teaching someone something I'm good at is tricky, even when I'm patient. And sticking up for someone when other kids aren't kind is really hard and really scary. Maybe I can't solve Tanisha's grape juice problem. Maybe all I can do is sit by her in art class and paint this picture for her, because I know she likes purple too. Maybe I can only do small things, but my small things might join small things other people do. And together, they could grow into something big. Something really big. So big that all our kindnesses spill out of our school. Spread throughout town. Travel across the country. And go all the way around the world. Right back to Tanisha and me, so we can be kind again and again. And again.
You sharks have been doing an amazing job at coming in the morning. And I know starting school, especially after a long time and a long summer, some of you were a little bit nervous coming in, a little bit sad, and you didn't want to leave mummies or daddies. But now we have been here 2 weeks, maybe even more. I think that Miss Candice and I would be so happy if we could see really big smiles in the morning, and no more tears, okay? We want to see huge smiles walking in, and then mom and dad will also be happy because you're happy, okay? You have been doing a great job, and just keep it up, okay?
At school, the alphabet. What do you call a fairy that doesn't take a shower? A stinkerbell. Knock.
Who's there?
George.
George who?
Knock knock.
Who's there?
George.
George who?
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Grandma.
Grandma who?
Are you glad I didn't say George?